We're back with the battle against Ebola. It's been 15 days since health officials in the Congo officially declared an outbreak, and the fight to control the virus gets harder every day. Now, according to the CDC, the total number of confirmed cases in the Congo and Uganda is up to 134, with 18 confirmed deaths. But the World Health Organization says those numbers may be even higher. CBS's Remy Inocencio joins us now with more.
Kelly, yeah, that's right. And the number of suspected cases keeps rising, too. In the DRC, it surged overnight above the 1,000 mark. And then in Uganda, just to the east, an aid group operating there told me that the number could be 3 or 4 more times higher than what is being reported, because he said everyone in Uganda, as well as the DRC, are just behind the curve, both in diagnosing and reporting.
Grief echoes at ground zero in this surging Ebola crisis as weary Red Cross volunteers in the Democratic Republic of the Congo suit up, not to treat the living, but to bury the dead with disinfectant. These mounds of earth, just the tip of the iceberg, says Dr. Mesfin Tessema of the New York-based International Rescue Committee.
This could likely even actually closer even more than what was the West Africa outbreak in 2014-16.
More than 11,000 people died and more than twice that many were infected over 2 years across 10 countries.
I just want to be clear here. You said that this could be worse.
Yes, that is what we are preparing for.
Aid workers are sounding the alarm and say many people don't believe Ebola exists. Their work hampered by slow, early detection, possibly since January. And the Trump administration's pullback of aid that's meant fewer eyes on the ground.
An unfortunate perfect storm for this.
That's what we have observed there, yeah.
And while Washington cut foreign aid, it asked nearby Kenya to set up a 50-bed quarantine facility at this airbase for potential American Ebola patients. But a Kenyan High Court judge blocked the plan hours before it was due to open. Kenyans are critical.
Why do Americans think that their lives are so much important than the lives of Kenyans?
Why would you create a facility within my country and it doesn't serve me? Yet the same facility is going to host people who are endangering my own life.
A lot of anger there, as you can hear. Kenya's judicial block on that American quarantine facility lasts until June 2nd. That's this coming Tuesday, and the court is set to pick up on that petition. I do want to point out that Kenya's government already approved the facility on Thursday. As it turns out, though, Adriana, that was the same day Secretary of State Marco Rubio offered Kenya more than $13 million for Ebola preparedness when they both spoke on that day.
All right, Ramy, thank you so much for all those details.